Madibu no amagiloke.
Madibu. Merci.
Let's proceed.
Let's go. All right. Merci.
He said that he should buy food
for him. Eh? You want me to buy food for you? I'll come and take this one. All right. Yeah, merci.
Yeah, they are students.
Is there a school here?
No, the school is they are back there.
At the back?
Yes. This one too, now French school.
French school?
Yeah.
Okay, they really learn French here. Like the community speak French? For real?
French and English. But these people now don't speak French.
Yes, sir. They are selling food here too?
No, they are selling ice cream.
Okay.
Small things.
They sell ice cream there?
Yeah, ice cream, mix, Olandia.
This is a provision store. This is how they sell stuff on this slum. Yeah.
Wrapper, all the materials. Here and this mommy, she's selling torch, anything you want.
Yeah.
Padlock,
But they have electricity here too.
yes.
Right here on the float.
Okay. That's how much, man?
I don't know.
100 naira. We are buying water from this. See where we're buying water. This is how they sell things. This is a provision shop.
Yes,
Where you can buy biscuits,
You can buy
custard,
custard,
peanuts,
peanut. What?
anything you want.
Wow. I like. Can I rent a house here and stay?
Yeah, but some people have a
Have what?
house to rent.
You can get a house here to rent.
Yes, now they have house to rent.
Hmm?
Yes.
They use this boat to go to school too.
Yes.
For real?
If you enter the boat, there's some school for back there. See there.
Yeah.
There's one school there.
There's a school there.
If you enter inside boat and go to school and cross the water, some schools see this side too.
Yeah.
They are
So these schools, are they wooden schools? Like, are they built like this?
yeah, they are building like will not be block.
Okay.
This is a church.
There's a church. Okay, this is a church.
Yeah,
This building, Celestial.
yeah, Celestial Church.
Celestial church, okay. Like all these kind of spiritual church. This little boy, that's your own boat.
See? I'm not alone yet.
Look at my friend here is piloting his ship.
They're playing music down there. I'm hearing sound of music down there.
Yes, we like to play music. See, there's light. So we like to. You see, my boys they are doing new names. You see, Odoche Toali Ajemo. It's making a net.
Okay, net for fishing.
To catch fish.
This my girl is about to go sell some market here.
Hello.
She
Hello.
have, Indomie.
Yeah.
She's selling
Curry. Yes.
How are you? Which bridge is this? Lagos Bridge.
Yes.
The main Lagos Bridge.
Yes.
Okay.
Where are we going to now?
We want to go there so you people can
What is that place?
videos. Now this place, many people come and enter boat and go Cotonou.
From there.
So, yeah. So this side, the other side, na Makoko side.
Yeah.
Yeah. All the guys, they are fish here. You see, they are catching their fish. So the senior man, all of them, that they go inside because not be all of them like to make them, yes. Because many people come there and lie for them, so they know they say truth for them. That's why all of them they are free. So some people they come and buy fish for there. See, they come from fishing.
So
then
when
we come and
people
sell.
are coming to buy fish, they will not allow us to buy fish.
Yeah. They will sell fish for you.
Okay.
Yes. All of them they are buy fish. Some people they buy fish for there and go and sell for market. So you see, for this practice. See?
Makoko community.
Yeah. See the this thing, yeah. Transportation. You see?
Makoko community.
Yeah. So Ali, we go turn now. Fide, you imagine Uncle do Ejibromo. I don't want to make them start to disturb you guys and collect money from you.
Okay,
so we go turn.
Yes.
So see we turn now. You people go bring your camera down. So they no, they no go disturb you guys.
Okay.
I don't want
okay.
Yes.
No problem.
So I don't want to.
So we can bring it down now.
Yes, because you. Chair.
What are they grinding?
They are grinding corn. Yeah. To make tuwo or a pap.
Hello.
How are you?
You see this side, everything dry.
Yeah.
But very soon, see the water come now. Everything will full. How are you? I have many guys there.
This is macaroni.
Mama, me don't see Sawa. Me Sakperia. Mama, do. Ye join yi bonawa bukwena miwe. Ewe son. Aho no le bi ma digba ni aho no le sin agbon. Some people have their wahala.
Yes, they're angry because they're seeing camera.
Because they are saying that many people come there and laugh and lie with them. So they will go and they don't like to come back.
Okay. Well, we thank God we saw you.
Yes.
What if we didn't see you?
Me too, I'm going home. I went to somewhere since morning. So I just tell the person evening time I will come back. You see the girls? They are selling gari and granules.
They are selling gari and granules. Those small girls.
Yes. Yeah, go. They have many problems for them. Hello, guys. Yeah. Now that machine they take to go and fishing with it.
Okay.
Also there. You see, is water now the place where we are coming to fetch water.
Okay, that's where they fetch water.
It's all around the Makoko floating slum. Like what you're seeing now.
Sogundo side. This side is Sogundo.
This is the biggest floating slum in the whole Africa. Makoko floating slum.
Okuagbon, Boedo, Sogundo.
So when you hear Lagos, Nigeria, it's not all about Lagos Island.
No. We have many City.
What is Oloshi?
They say now no be only you go snap them, they are snapping you too. That's why he made in camera.
Bye.
This side that they are making, they are repairing the machine.
Okay, that's where
Yeah, now they, we follow here before.
okay,
You see,
faster.
yeah.
Okay, it's like I saw this one.
No, now,
This one is another one.
yeah. Alpha. Consalo.
How are you? How are you?
Alpha. Nikudaso. You see, they are repairing their machine.
This is Lagos City. You won't believe this place is Lagos City, and this place is called Makoko. Guedo side. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So whenever you visit Lagos City, always remember it's not about the Lagos Island. It's not about the Banana Island. There is also a place like this in Lagos City.